Welcome to my channel where I review the latest gadgets and tech products. Today, I'm going to talk about the Apple AirTag, a small device that helps you find your lost items using your iPhone. I'll cover 5 key areas that you might want to know before buying one. Let's get started. 1. Setup and ease of use. The AirTag is very easy to set up and use. All you need is an iPhone or iPad running iOS or iPadOS 14.5 or later. You just bring the AirTag close to your device and follow the on-screen instructions to name it and pair it with your Apple ID. Once paired, you can see your AirTag on the Find My app, where you can also manage its settings and features. The AirTag works seamlessly with other Apple devices, such as AirPods, Apple Watch, and MacBooks, and you can use Siri to ask for its location. 2. Tracking accuracy and reliability. If you lose your item within Bluetooth range, which is about 30 feet, you can use the Find My app to play a sound from the AirTag or use the precision finding feature to get directions to it. If you lose your item outside Bluetooth range, you can use the Find My network, which is a network of millions of Apple devices that can detect your AirTag and send its location back to you. You can also put your AirTag in lost mode, which will notify you when it's found and display a message with your contact information if someone scans it with an NFC-enabled device. 3. Range and limitations. The AirTag has no built-in GPS or cellular connectivity, so it relies on the proximity of other Apple devices to update its location. This means that if your item is in a remote area or a place with few Apple users, you might not be able to track it accurately or at all. The AirTag is not compatible with Android devices, so if you switch from an iPhone to an Android phone, you won't be able to use it anymore. 4. Battery life and maintenance. The AirTag uses a standard CR2032 coin cell battery that lasts for about a year with normal use. You can check the battery level on the Find My app, and you'll get a notification when it's low. To replace the battery, you just need to press and twist the back cover of the AirTag and pop out the old battery and replace it. The AirTag is water resistant up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, so it can survive splashes or rain. However, it's not scratch resistant, so it might get scuffed or damaged over time. 5. Privacy and security features. The AirTag has several privacy and security features to protect your data and prevent unwanted tracking. The AirTag uses does not store any location data or history on itself or on iCloud. The AirTag is also designed to discourage unwanted tracking by someone else's AirTag. If an unknown AirTag is traveling with you for a certain period of time, your iPhone will alert you and let you disable it by playing a sound or removing its battery. So that's my review of the Apple AirTag. I think it's a great device for anyone who wants to keep track of their belongings using their iPhone. It's easy to set up, accurate, reliable, secure, and affordable. You can also buy accessories such as key rings or loops to attach it to different items. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. See you next time.